One of the very first things that a farmer needs to look out for is the source of water. And for me today, I'm going to show you the different kinds of the water that I have on the farm. This is just a solar electric fence that we've put that bars people from getting into the farm, or yeah, sometimes it's live and during the night, that is. So we have a well that we dug a few weeks ago. I think I showed you that video. But today's video, let me show you the borehole, our connection from the borehole and the kind of output that the borehole has using our solar panels. So mostly when you want to do farming, water is an essential thing that you must have. It's like the bare minimum, the basic, the first thing. It should be land, yes, but the second best is the source of water. So for us, we have a borehole which is 90 meters deep, and it has a 5 cubic output using our solar panels. There's a time that we were using a generator, a genset, but it became too expensive. But so right now we are just using the solar panels. So we are upgraded to solar panels. And if you have any questions about water, how you can get water, either manual or borehole, you can just comment at the comment section, and I'll be able to give you guidance. That's the like a bush where I feel like we will do beehives. We graze our cattle there sometimes, our goats and cows, but I'm thinking of having beehives under each tree, starting off with maybe 10 at most, and I hope the beehives will not interfere with my goat farming. And also interfere with my, like, if I want to do the water, because we will need to put it next to the water. I know bees can be a menace, but we will cross that bridge when we get there. So this is the land. I'm just doing like a 360 just to show you how the land is. It's dry right now. The rain seasons have cooled off. It's all good, and yeah, so that's like a 360 of it all. Up to the edges, if you see the trees up to there. So I'm just almost at the middle, and then these bushy shrubs is, I do not want to cut the trees, so these are the trees that will do our beekeeping. So we are going to do our beekeeping very soon, a project that will start before the end of the year. And then we did trees at the fence. We have videos on this, but today I'm just going to show you how the trees are. If you can, please plant a tree. Please, there's no excuse about it. Please, 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 plant a tree, plant something. You can't be farming and you do not have trees. So most of the time we get the water from the borehole. It's passed through the pipes, and we irrigate our trees when it is dry. We've had very good rains, so we may not be uh, watering them after this for a very long time, up to maybe May or June. Then we will water them when it's too dry, and then it will just be like once a month. So you don't need like to think about like you need to use a lot of capital in on trees, because trees grow by themselves. So if you can, please plant a tree. Make sure you have a tree. So this is the pine. This is pine, whispering pine. It's growing too fast. I'd not expected this. It's almost a year old. We planted around 100 trees, and so far so good. None dried up, and I'm sure that it's going to be a very nice fence, demarcating where we are grazing, demarcating the farmhouse when we get there. And therefore, another rain season, I will be able to see if I can upgrade or plant more trees, like have another line. I love trees, and this will be a good thing. So when you want to start farming, ensure that you have water, sufficient water, and then start planting some trees. Sometimes it's bad when you go to visit someone and they do not even have a tree, and you wonder what kind of farmers are these, because if you can't maintain a tree, can you be able to farm really? I don't know. You give me, let me know if you planted a tree this year, if you're planning to do a tree this year or not. But for me, I love trees. I like the green stuff, and I will plant as many trees as I can. This is our output from the solar system, pumping from the well, not the well, the borehole. So this is connected to the borehole and not the well. We get about 5 cubics, yeah, 5 cubics, and it's sufficient right now. And then we've added the well also. So this year, 2024, I think is a year that um, I'll not worry about water. I'm actually worried about other projects, but not water related. So this is going to take us a very long way, and I love the water thing, and I'm grateful that I did this. So let me know. Do you have any water questions? Do you want to be taught anything about water? What do you want to learn on how to get water in your farm? If this is your first time on the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Movie Farm is a place where we do sustainable farming. It's a place where we teach you what we are doing. So today's lesson is all about having water on your farm, ways of getting water, which is either borehole or doing manual well. And I have another video for manual well. So please, if you've not checked it out, look for it and let me know. Let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I love you. We love you. Bye bye for now. Bye bye, my loves. And just listen to the water. And yeah, it's good to have water, I must say. So on the comment section, please just give me a thumbs up and let me know if you have any issues to do with water, issues to do with drilling boreholes, digging manual well, any connections, any interventions that you might need, anything that you need me to add on this video, let me know. Thank you and bye bye.